Children's Zoo in Jakarta, a fun and educational experience. The Children's Zoo, located within the sprawling Ragunan Zoo in Jakarta, offers a fantastic outing for families. It's specifically designed to engage young visitors with interactive exhibits and a hands-on experience with various animals. Here's a detailed guide to making the most of your visit to the Children's Zoo in Jakarta. Overview of Ragunan Zoo location. Pasar Minggu, South Jakarta. Established 1864. Size approximately 140 hectares. Animals over 3,000 animals representing more than 200 species. Ragunan Zoo is one of the oldest and largest zoos in Indonesia. It offers a wide range of exhibits, lush green spaces, and educational programs, making it a popular destination for both locals and tourists. Highlights of the Children's Zoo: interactive animal encounters. The Children's Zoo offers young visitors the opportunity to interact with and learn about a variety of animals up close. Kids can feed and pet domesticated animals such as goats, rabbits, and guinea pigs. Educational programs. There are educational talks and demonstrations aimed at teaching children about animal behavior, conservation, and the importance of protecting wildlife. These sessions are designed to be engaging and age-appropriate. Mini safari. A mini safari experience allows children to see larger animals like zebras and camels in a more naturalistic setting. The safari is designed to be safe and exciting for young visitors. Play areas. The Children's Zoo features playgrounds and picnic areas where families can relax and enjoy the surroundings. The play areas are equipped with safe and fun equipment suitable for various age groups. Bird aviary. An aviary section within the Children's Zoo houses various species of colorful and exotic birds. Children can observe these birds in a walk-through environment, enhancing their appreciation for avian species. Butterfly park. A dedicated butterfly park allows children to walk among numerous species of butterflies. This exhibit helps kids understand the life cycle of butterflies and the role they play in the ecosystem. Visitor information. Opening hours. Ragunan Zoo, including the Children's Zoo, is typically open from 7 o'clock a.m. to 4 o'clock p.m. daily, though it's advisable to check for any changes in timings or special events. Entrance fees. The entrance fee for Ragunan Zoo is affordable, with additional nominal charges for specific attractions like the Children's Zoo. Prices may vary, so it's best to check the official website or contact the zoo for the latest information. Facilities. The zoo provides essential amenities such as restrooms, food stalls, and souvenir shops. There are also ample seating areas and shaded spots for resting. Getting there. Ragunan Zoo is accessible by various modes of transport. It's well connected by public buses, and ride-hailing services are widely available in Jakarta. For those driving, ample parking space is provided. Tips for a great visit: arrive early. Arriving early helps avoid the peak crowd and provides a cooler and more comfortable experience, especially during the hot months. Stay hydrated. Jakarta's tropical climate can be quite warm, so carry water bottles to stay hydrated throughout your visit. Dress comfortably. Wear comfortable clothing and shoes suitable for walking. Hats and sunscreen are also recommended to protect against the sun. Plan your route. Ragunan Zoo is large, so it's helpful to plan your route and prioritize the exhibits you want to see to make the most of your visit. Respect the animals. Teach children to respect the animals by not feeding them unauthorized food and following zoo guidelines for interaction. Conclusion. The Children's Zoo in Ragunan Zoo, Jakarta, is an excellent destination for a family outing. It combines fun and education, offering children a unique opportunity to interact with animals and learn about wildlife conservation. With its variety of attractions and child-friendly amenities, the Children's Zoo ensures an enjoyable and memorable experience for visitors of all ages.